Hello, everyone that's totally watching. Welcome to Poof Durg, where it's just Poof
And the Derg.
making videos. So we're gonna have fun on this channel. We're just gonna do a bunch of random stuff like watch shows and I don't know. Surrounds video. Um, this is the first video, so the editing is kind of iffy, but enjoy.
Okay, mate.
Shut up, Chunky.
Get good.
You chungus.
Saying anything, man. Anything for entertainment.
I don't know what to say. I think you might actually just go poison.
Yeah. Um.
You get hit by my gun.
Oh, that's brilliant. I still need to. I need to hit you twice because you barely survived from cancer. Okay. All right.
Just yammer.
Alright.
I'd take you out. JFK.
Why does it explode? Okay.
Dead.
Get. Just got cancer and died. Okay.
Don't hurt me, CIA.
Don't call me the CIA.
You're the CIA. You give people with cancer with your gun.
I am. I think I have to go.
You know what? I might just go off rip.
Yeah, it's just. I mean,
That's the only thing that messes me up. I feel like having one bullet.
Poison?
Blood time. Stop getting cancer, guys.
I'm gonna kill you. Cancer.
No. Look, it's that one health.
No. Oh, stop doing that. Okay. You burst.
I've done it yet again.
Okay. Alright. Because last time we got hit by 3 and I'm pretty sure you survived. But... Okay. Alright. Just kill me, why don't you?
I got you.
Okay. I haven't killed you once. Well, I haven't won a single round. You know that, I got you. Alright. It's not a fumble. No, stop doing that. Stop it.
You're not the bot to me. Leave me alone. Well, I thought I was gonna die from the first bullet.
I wanna hear it.
Why are you just rude all the time?
Boo.
Yo.
I'm not letting you out. No, you're not meant to leave.
Yo. What are you, my kidnapper?
No. God. Just make like a leaf and tree, dude.
That
Fuck you. Okay, I was gonna say something pretty rude, pretty mean,
yeah, don't get us.
but no, I'm a kind person.
Don't get us.
I'm a kind person, so I would never do that.
Why not? You're so. You're mean.
Give me glass cannon. Never say I mean again.
What'd you say to me? Wanna fight or what?
Poof, you're the type of guy to like lick your lips before eating food.
Dude, I do sometimes. You're the type of guy to
You
say I
suck.
needed this when you go hang out with your friends.
Dude, fuck you. Truly remarkable how stupid you are. You suck at this game.
You suck.
Okay, Billy Buffalo Knuckle.
Don't call me Billy Buffalo. We don't talk about Billy Buffalo. Alright?
Fuck having a Billy Buffalo Knuckle.
You don't want to know.
And I don't want to get crushed this time.
Things that can't be spoken of on YouTube. Alright?
I'm not. Can't park family.
Yo, why are you just walking me down?
Yo.
I can't, dude, I can't. You know what? You know what?
Please do something, man.
Just around. Just around, that changes it all. Changes it all for all poop. I killed you.
You know, if I win this, I win. Okay. Okay.
Exactly why it's locked in there. Yeah, glass cannon and
No,
tank is
you
kind of
just
broken.
got a good map. What?
Glass cannon and tank is kind of broken.
I'm also gonna be huge.
Dude, stop.
Why did he do that?
You do so much damage, the entire map shakes when you shoot.
I didn't even shoot, I was just walking towards you.
You know what? I'm ending the recording. That's it. That's it. Goodbye.
What?